Well, hey there, folks. Here, Wacky Weatherman here today. It's been a week or so since I've seen y'all, but we got something amazing going to be happening. Well, it's about that time again. Winter is almost come and gone, and today is Saturday, the 7th of March, 2020, and right now it's about 5:47. Now the sun is supposed to set tonight at 5:58 p.m. So almost 6 o'clock. However, tonight we spring forward. So this time tomorrow it'll be 6:40. It'll be 6:59 is when the sun will set. But it's still going to be the same daylight. That's right, so it's almost going to be 7 o'clock. And I will show you this so that you guys know that I am not pulling your leg. So I'm going to turn this back on here in 1 second here. I'm going to go get a phone so you guys can see the time for yourself. All right, y'all. So I have my iPhone right here. And here's the time right now. Okay, 5:51. Now we're going to wait for the sun to set, and then we're going to come back tomorrow, because the way it is right now, as y'all can see, the way it looks, the daylight is going to be the same. So now you won't get to see this video before tomorrow. So that is going to be a good thing. But man, but look back through here. You can see this now that the trees are gone. But you can see the grass is going to starting to get a little green. But let's go down. See? Look at that green. See that green? That means springtime is on its way, fellas, boys and girls. So anyway, how you guys doing? It's good to be back. Possibly going to be doing some rain. Here's out the weather window. Now, when the sun sets, then my screen is going to turn amber. It means it's the blue light filter is going to kick on. So I will know just immediately whenever the sun goes down. But if you notice, like I said, if you'll notice the way the daylight is right now, it's going to be the same, but it's going to be an hour later. So it is a great thing. It's almost 6 o'clock, and like I said, you can see green starting to come up here. And I'm going to have a special video for you guys this summer, and you guys will know more about that here later. But we're starting out on the right foot. Wacky Weatherman is back. And it's going to be a nice day. I think we're going to go on picnic tomorrow. And I'm using my other note because it has Android Pie on it. So I will never update this phone ever again. The other note is in there somewhere. And I'm going to get a big micro SD card for this thing too. So you know. But anyway, y'all can see right now, from the way you guys can see that. And like I said, I have my iPhone here. Okay, so I've got the iPhone. When we turn it on, you can see what time it is right there, 5:54. So we're a few minutes away from the sun setting here. Okay, so the sun's setting here. You'll see there's the iPhone right there. Okay, 6 Plus, 6S Plus, and it has the headphone jack. The new ones don't. So, see, I put it in this cool little case here, blue. So we're just going to sit here and wait for the sun to set. And so this has been a great deal. This has been coming for us for a long time. And like I said, I know it's been a while since we've seen each other, but what about the storm videos? Well, I'll still have those posted, but it'll be very, very low. Like I said, I just don't want to, with the copyright strike is what I gotta, because I had one, I got one for all you guys to see, but you're not going to be able to get to see it. So you're just going to have to wait for it to come out on DVD. But I will have previews of it, you know, little previews of it or whatever. And we'll do like a little bitty thing of it. But if you guys want to see the whole thing, then I will be having that up for sale. And I'm going to be doing some things. But as of right now, you guys can go back and see Wacky Weatherman. You guys can go back and look at all the 50 some odd videos that we have up, that I have up there already. And we're starting early this time. And so it's really nice out here. It really is. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful night. If it was 20 degrees warmer, well, let's see what's the temperature outside. Last Siri.
It's currently 52 degrees.
52 degrees, okay. Now let's check our time again. 56. Okay. It's a couple minutes away. Like I said, my screen will turn amber. And I'll know just automatically when it hits. It'll be in a second. Because I've got it to where it turns the night shift on. Just like your iPhone. It'll turn on automatically by itself. And I won't have to with the Note 9. And who knows? He may upgrade. He might get the Note 11 this year. Showing up, Gerald? Yep. So probably around, September... maybe August, September, or whatever, may look into the Note 11. So you guys just stay tuned for when that comes available. Note 10, yeah, maybe, but I'm gonna do the Note 11, the Note 11 Plus. Okay, okay. Well, I mean, whatever the Spectrum deal has. Okay, or the new iPhone 12 or whatever. It'll be something. Probably the iPhone 12, because I mean it is simple, isn't it? I got iOS 14, so it should be here in a couple more minutes or so when we start getting the Wacky Weatherman here. The sun is about to set, and it should be getting close. Like I said, we're just keeping an eye on the time, because I'm doing this because you guys will get to see this happen. Okay, it's 7:58, 7:57. 5:57. So it's 5:57. So here in a few seconds, probably less than 30 seconds. Ooh, thought I heard something up there. And there's the trees. They're going to be getting buds on them here real soon. So this should be turning color here in a few seconds. Should be turning color here shortly. Man, it's just peaceful out here today, folks. Like I said, you're not going to get to see this till tomorrow, so I'm going to say that this is March 8th of 2020. But as of right now, this is March 7th of 2020 is when I'm recording this, and the time is it's 7:58. If y'all can see. Okay? So it's 7:58. Well, it might be 6:59. I mean, it's 5:58. You can see it right there. There we go. The sun just set. Okay, my screen just turned amber. And there it is. So, now, keep that in mind. The sun set okay, it was 59 or whatever. Okay, so 5:59. Now, tomorrow it'll be 6 o'clock. It'll be 7 o'clock. Like I said, the daylight is going to be the same. So here's right now, get a good look at the clock. Okay, get a good look at it. So this will be 6 o'clock. But it'll be an hour later. I'm just showing you the dynamics of the weather here, because it's about Wacky Weatherman. And so like I said, it's about 6 o'clock right now, but look at it. It's still daylight. Great. But we'll come back, and I'll come back tomorrow evening, and we will do the comparing. Okay, so today is the day, and I won't turn this back on till tomorrow evening about the same time, and you guys will get to see. It's just amazing. That is God at work, the master at work. So it's just amazing with the time going up, and there it is. So I'm going to go back up here, and we're going to close this out, but I will see you folks tomorrow for the next, for the same thing what we're doing now. We're going to wait for that to happen. So once again, Wacky Weatherman here. Yeah, it's been like I said, it's been a while since we've seen each other, but now that's going to start getting spring. It's right around the corner. So we got it, folks. We're going to have storms and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's it. So it's a beautiful Saturday, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys. I'll see you guys here in a second when you're watching this, the magic of video, and it's no trick. Okay, so I'll turn this back on tomorrow, and we'll get ready, and I'll put a break in there or whatever. Okay, so anyway, so I'll turn this back on here in a second. When we do, it'll be Sunday. Alrighty, folks, it's your old buddy Gerald here, Wacky Weatherman. Today is Sunday, the 8th of February, the 8th of March, 2020, and the sun will be setting here in a few minutes at 7 o'clock p.m. Okay, as we talked about yesterday, and it is another Sunday evening. See the magic of video, and I will show you it is real. Okay, that I'm not just making this up out of my yin yang, but looky here. See, there's the date. Time is 6:53. But like I said, if you look at this, it's like it was yesterday, but it was an hour early. Okay, so it's almost 7 o'clock right now, and we might have some storms for this week. We'll check the weather a little bit later, and we'll come back out here. We'll check out the weather, and we'll just see what's going on. But anyway, so this right here, and yes, I'm using my note. I got my fancy cradle, and I got my little monopod, my little handheld monopod thing that I rigged up. It's a little windy out here tonight, so as y'all can see, but like I said, it's the same time, it's the same deal like it was yesterday, like it was we talked about. But the difference is this time went up an hour. Okay, did I get that to focus? So we're about 6 minutes away from the sun setting, and that means my screen will turn amber, which the blue light filter will turn on. And you know, it's great just being back out here doing Mr. Wacky Weatherman, and possibly wind was pretty strong today. It was a little too cool, a little too windy for a picnic, because you didn't want the basket or the food or any of the paper plates going all over the freaking way or whatever, you know. But like I said, the grass in some places is starting to get green. See, there's some nice green grass right over there. But we're just waiting for the sun to set, and today is the 8th of March, 2020, and we are less than about 10 days away from spring, the first day of spring. Okay, so that's really good. So that's going to really be groovy. It's really going to be groovy. So yeah, man, so welcome to Wacky Weatherman, and we'll check the weather tomorrow sometime or whatever. We're supposed to have some storms, severe storms, I'm not sure, but it's getting back into the habit of Wacky Weatherman, of storm watching. And you guys know that we will be on top of it. Just like that. Like I said, it's the same time like it was yesterday. It's just an hour difference. I'm just doing this to show you the time, and show you God's engineering, scientific deal. And the time is 56. Oh, it's 58. Okay. So we're 2 minutes away from the sun setting. The sun's going to set at 7 p.m. Because like I said, I mean, it's nice out here. Look at this. Just a carbon copy of yesterday. Maybe just the wind's blowing just a little bit more. But I'm not doing anything here. It's, as y'all can see, today is Sunday. And this is not any gimmick thing or any of that crap. This is just me turning on the camera and filming. It's just me turning on the camera and filming. Y'all see up there? I'll bring my big monopod out and we'll look way up there. See what you guys can see. But it is pretty cool. And I want to send a big shout out to my boy out there, Sass. I think that's what I'm going to call my new album, is Trailer Park Sunset. I like that name. Man, it's big kudos to you, big thumbs up. So my new album will be Trailer Park Sunset. I like that name of that. Because, hey, I'm at the trailer park and I'm Wacky Weatherman, so it makes sense. Trailer Park Sunset. That'll be the name of my next album. I was trying to figure out what to name it. Alright folks, it's 59. Well, it's 59 right now. Okay. Like I said. Oh, it's 57. Okay, I was looking at it wrong. It's okay, it was 57. Okay, so we still got a few more minutes. So, man, I tell you what, y'all. Right here, it is just beautiful. Beautiful out here, man. This is Wacky Weatherman at its finest. This is what I've been wanting to do for a while. But like I said, any new Wacky Weatherman videos, you guys can purchase those, and I can send them to you with the drop send or whatever, and you just send me the money for it. And I'm gonna start offering these because I'll do the previews of them or whatever. But since that copyright deal that I got with they removed that one video, so I cannot show it to you. But I can do a preview of that for you, which, hey, I intend to do. I will do a preview of that. So I'm just sitting out here flapping my gums. But yeah, but my man, I like that idea. I will sit down and work on that, and that'll be the name of my new album. Like, whoever thought of that? So definitely take a picture of it with the sun going down and me right here. Okay, whatever. Yep. Trailer Park Sunset. I like it. Oh, that's great. That'll go right along with that Night Trucker album, won't it? So yeah, Wacky Weatherman. So that's really cool. Yeah, I dig that. I dig it. I'll put the words and stuff to that. All right, y'all. Let's see what time it is here. Keeping an eye on it. It's 58 now. Okay, it's 58. And like I said, once that turns blue, once that blue's gone, yep, iPhone. Once that turns blue, uh-oh. You know what, y'all? Here's some geese. There's some geese way back in there somewhere if y'all can hear them. But we're just waiting on the sunset. I'm not doing anything here but just gabbing. I'm just gab festing. That's all there is. Okay. So, anyway. So, we're just, oh, the sun done set. Look at that, folks. The sun done set. Okay, so that's it. So it's the same time it was before. Man, it really went by fast, didn't it? As y'all can see, it is 7 o'clock. Just like it was yesterday, but it was only 6 o'clock, 5:58, 5:59. But that's it, and that is really all I wanted to show you guys. So, but anyway, thanks for hanging out here with me this evening. You guys enjoyed this video, and we will be back tomorrow to check out the weather situation. Like I said, we'll come back later tonight and we'll check out the weather deal. Because it's a good time to be back. Wacky Weatherman here. It's a good time to be back doing weather videos for y'all. Okay, by gummit. So, but that's it. So hey, you guys like, share, subscribe, and Got the Wacky Weatherman thing here happening. I'm gonna have some buds on the trees real soon. But anyhow, so your old buddy Gerald, Wacky Weatherman. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, got a bunch of stuff happening. Okay, springtime's almost here. Alright, later folks. There goes the sunset.